Yes, so Chelsea don't spare Norwich for Norwich City. Now 7-0. And the way the match they go safe, we know say if not be say maybe Chelsea just they do, I may not be like say the team safe. They two beat them for the by other reason I one kind of maybe Chelsea for even score reach 10 safe or 12. But we get our guy Kester will be like say that very bongelistic Chelsea fan. Make it come tell us about how the game go. I guess that they already they happy, they see the happiness for your face. Oga Kester, I beg now, tell us how you see this match.
Man, I'm not that impressed with the Chelsea play. At all.
So seven
But
not do you.
see, if not Liverpool,
Mm.
that be so with the talk. So people go lose their job before tomorrow.
Okay.
Mo Salah fit score 6. Man, if he score 4.
Mm.
I didn't tell you the go for play. If I be go Gazin, you know understand? But now 3.9 matter. Even if now 100-0
True.
half goal, 3.9 matter. So my weekend start well, start badly. So I go feel joy day.
All right, now no be lie. It reached for you to get joy because on our start this weekend, top of the Premier League table, Chelsea, and the way they go, so it clear say Chelsea go end the weekend top of the Premier League table. But so far, what you just see from this Chelsea team, you believe say Chelsea go fit win this league?
To be honest with you, I'm a Chelsea fan, but I still dey believe say in order for us to win the league, not by our hand today, we go only do our best. But City and Liverpool got lose. The lose from City and Liverpool that will give us the league.
Mm.
Now what you this now hard is see because this Liverpool team, this City team, they be like people when I defend. I never see Liverpool weak point. I never see City weak point. I don't see Chelsea weak point where if we pack the bus, Chelsea not get that player where you go fit pass all those needle thread through the eyes of a needle
Mm.
pass. Chelsea not get them. And Chelsea not really get better patience to the knock the ball for the people half. If you look at most of the knocking Chelsea, the knock ball, now Chelsea have the middle of the pitch, but not the
Yes.
front of the people 18. We not really get that. We not get that patience.
Okay.
So I don't know.
But
Team,
how you see Chelsea performance today? You finish with you be the one talk about Kester. How you see Chelsea performance today, and you see the way the team perform without no Lukaku, no Timo Werner, and the way this team performs, score 7 goals without your two out and out striker. It be like say the team no really miss them today. How you see the performance today without those two striker for this game?
to be honest with you, I'll talk. I see the talk. Some Chelsea fans not go agree with me. The problem we get last season now for striker to score goal. And people Chelsea get last season. So now we bring the striker. We bring the striker now. The way we could play last season with now. Last season can't drop. We not dominate games. The way we dominate games last season. Maybe because we don't get focal points for front. That make us dominate game like that. Because
Mm.
we don't already make up our mind. Say maybe Chelsea don't already make up their mind. Say Timo Werner they miss chances or Timo Werner not be players and be whole ball. Make other people play. So everybody they plan around them and him now Sabi enter position. Compared to now, when Chelsea don't already know now, say the girl go feel hold the ball for front. So any small thing, they don't love the ball give Lukaku. Any small thing they look for Lukaku. But last season they only look for Timo Werner. And Timo Werner they that space by himself. So now when they that space, they can't give him the ball. So that make I go still say Chelsea play last season. I think I did very, very relaxed more than this season. Because the Lukaku, it's very easy to mark out of game. I did tell Harry the other day, you want mark Lukaku, make him more comfortable. Not let her carry that ball come in left leg because Lukaku, or if they find that comfort, pass to ball to the leg. He like her well. So not let her get that thing.
You can't rest for your body.
Yes. I said I say if not Drogba they play ball, that ball Drogba they play time. If not they play ball, maybe if for worse way for player. As a player, it will be very, very we for not really look at. But all respect to Drogba and a legend, so we'll not take that thing away from him. Mm-hmm. But in a nutshell, did Lukaku, I never to do okay with Lukaku in Chelsea team. I still prefer that last season Chelsea to this season. After all, Lukaku don't go 5 games, he never score a goal. What think be the difference now? Almost the same thing.
Okay, now I got Kesta, but we'll talk about one player for inside this game. Hat-trick for Chelsea. This one now Chelsea boy, now Chelsea own Mason Mount. Hat-trick for this game and 1 assist. Now, how you see Mason Mount performance for this game? Because from last season we see the kind of football Mason Mount play, but this season it can't be like say him drop and everything. Drop form. We know say he play plenty matches for last season. But how you see this performance from Mason Mount today?
They're very, very good. Some people go say that because I know which. Well, you go if you play with it for your front.
True.
You know that's not. It does a Chelsea get red card. Just 2 players get red card or something happened to Chelsea. No which can't score for or no we score early goal. No what's wrong with the talk. So you know that's not. What's wrong with the talk? Chelsea will call the look for goal and it's not easy. When they score you first, you they look for goal because when they score you first, now you got to score 2 goals to get on top of the person.
Not true.
And to score person 2 goals not be easy thing. I tell people every time, if you say football hard, maybe they put you for goal, maybe they put you maybe you go score goal. Goal scoring is the hardest thing in football, but people don't want to believe that they're very, very hard. So I go say people go say that the opponent, but I don't really care. I happy say Messi Man score hat-trick. Yeah. He go boost the morale for the next games to come. So we'll see how he go perform from now till season end.
No be lie. Because like you talk, I believe say this one go ginger and way for the next set of games. Because we say player where they contribute assist, they score goals was he no can they do those things. Sometimes confidence go drop. But this match now, he don't score, he don't assist, score a trick. So the next game, the kind ginger where you go to enter and go high. We make we enter inside the player rating. Make we start with Edward Mendy. It be like say normally Edward Mendy carry bed on this match. Suppose even sleep safe for the full 90 minutes. But Kestana, how you go rate him on the scale of 1 to 10?
0.
Based on saying you don't get anything to do.
You not get anything. If you not just guy keeper come.
He did holiday today.
If you not just bring goalkeeper come now 0.
Okay, now no be lie. What about Trevor Chalobah? What you go rate him?
My boy play. My boy. They're not too disturb our defense, so. Since they're not to disturb our defense, that one are minus. That one are -2. So now you get -2. Then you not put any foot wrong. Now +2. You lead the back well. Now +3, which is 5. Communication good +1. I'll give her 6.5.
6.5. Okay, what about Thiago Silva and Antonio Rudiger?
I'll give Thiago Silva. Okay, I'll give Chalobah 6. I'll give Silva 6.5. The Rudiger. You say, now what will they talk? Rudiger get problem. Oh. Make it stop all those things when they do. But Rudiger said, I'll give Rudiger 7.7.
Okay. What about Rhys James? One go for Rhys James today.
7.5.
7.5. Jorginho.
No, you're good. You're back. That's not done.
Okay, the left Ben Chilwell.
7.5.
7.5. Then we'll go the two midfielders, Jorginho and Kovacic.
Jorginho control the game as usual, but he not score goal. I'll give her 7. He killed the assist.
Now, Coke the come and check the info. Yes, he assist Mr. Mount.
7.5.
7.5. Then Kovacic, he get 2 assists.
7.5.
7.5. And then we go Mr. Mount and Callum Hudson-Odoi.
Mr. Mount at 9.5.
Man of the match for you.
He doesn't score hat trick now. Hudson-Odoi for be man of the match.
Okay.
9.5. Hudson-Odoi 9.
Okay. What about Kai Havertz?
See, Kai Havertz no score. But Kai Havertz play well. He play good football. So I'll give Kai Havertz 6.
Okay. I'm going to enter the substitute now. Ruben Loftus-Cheek, Hakim Ziyech, and Ross Barkley. These 3 players, now players will be like, say, from the waiting with the see, be like, say, they are Chelsea future, not too strong like that. What do you rate these players and how you see their performance for this match?
I'll give Loftus-Cheek 6. 6.6. I'll give him 6.
Okay.
I'll give Barkley and Hakim Ziyech 5.5.
Barkley and Hakim Ziyech 5.5.
5.5.
All right, now I got Kesta. We know say this one clear win for Chelsea, 3 points sure. Still the top of the league so far. We hope say you will use this result to raise your head for the rest of the weekend.
Yes,
I want to say the weekend good for you and all the Chelsea fan. Thank you for your time, Oga Kesta. You too much.
okay, now.